welcome back to my channel English for Beginners with Priyanka. So guys, today we will talk about how you can start speaking in English language. So guys, daily routine is a very important and very easy process. Yeah, if you will practice every day, so yeah, you can speak very well. I will share my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning around 6 o'clock. Then I take lukewarm water. After taking lukewarm water, I get fresh, and after getting fresh, I worship God. Then I go to kitchen. I make tea, and then as well as I prepare breakfast for me and my family. Then I take tea. After taking tea, I get up my daughter. Then I do get fresh my daughter, and after that I feed my daughter, and after that I complete my all house chores work. Then I take some rest. After taking some rest, I teach my daughter, and in evening time I go to park with my daughter and she plays there. And then I come back at 7 o'clock. Then I make some snacks for my daughter, and then I prepare dinner for my family. And then after taking dinner, I go to outside for walk, and then I come back to around 10 o'clock. Then I get fresh, and after that I go to bed, and I read some books. I watched YouTube channels, and then I made some videos, and then I sleep. So guys, this is my daily routine. I do follow every day. So this type of daily routine, if you are a beginner, you can start your daily routine. Yeah, every time if you are a busy whole time, so whenever you go to bed, so that time you think, and what did you do today, and you convert in English language, and then you can speak. Yeah, if no one there, so you can speak front of mirror. You speak what did you do today, and if you will be follow every day this routine, so you can translate, and then you can start your yesterday daily routine, your tomorrow daily routine. So this type of daily routine, if you will be follow, so you can speak very easily, and your fluency will be improve. You don't think that only only listening. If I watch YouTube channel, if I watch conversation video, and after listening conversation video I started speaking very well, so it's not good habits. Yeah, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak in English language, so you will have to practice. You will have to speak. Without speaking is not possible. You will have to start your daily routine. Yesterday daily routine, tomorrow daily routine, today daily routine, and what do you do every day. So this type of process, if you will be follow every day, so definitely a few days, a few months, you started speaking very well. Your English grammar is very good, your vocab is very good, but without speaking is not possible. If you will think, I'm listening, and after listening I will speak my daily routine, and then third day I started speaking in English. So this is not right way. And definitely, if you want to improve yourself, so first of all you will have to practice. Without practice is not possible. If you want to learn drive car, ride scooty, anything, and if you think, one day, 2 day I will drive, and definitely third day I started driving very well, so it's not possible. That's I like this language is not possible. If you want to improve yourself, so first of all you will have to practice, and how you can start your speaking. So I will say that first of all you should start speaking your daily routine. If you will be speak daily routine every day, your yesterday daily routine, your today daily routine, your tomorrow daily routine. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye.